Making money online quickly is a goal for many people. But it's important to approach such opportunities with caution and skepticism. While there are legitimate ways to earn money online, be wary of scams and promises of instant wealth. Here are 10 potentially viable ways to make money online. But keep in mind that success may vary, and it's essential to research and assess each opportunity carefully. Freelancing. Offer your skills on freelance platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Skills in writing, graphic design, programming, and digital marketing are in demand. Online surveys. Participate in paid online surveys through websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Vindale Research. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities on websites like Remote OK or We Work Remotely. Sell stock photos. If you're a photographer, you can sell your photos on stock photography websites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn a commission for every sale through affiliate marketing programs such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Online tutoring. Share your expertise by tutoring others online through platforms like Chegg Tutors, Tutor.com, or VIPKid. Virtual assistants. Offer administrative services to businesses and entrepreneurs as a virtual assistant through platforms like Time Etc. or Upwork. Create and sell online courses. Share your knowledge in a particular area by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. E-commerce. Sell products on online marketplaces like Etsy or eBay, or start your own online store using platforms like Shopify. Remote customer service. Work as a customer service representative for companies that hire remote agents such as LiveOps or Concentrix. Remember, success in making money online often requires time, effort, and consistency. Be cautious of scams and avoid any opportunities that seem too good to be true.